Alright, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I am on video number 8 in the Paw Patrol series. I'm now moving on to Tracker. Here's my pre-drawing here on the nail. I'm going to show you guys the colors and all that I picked for him. Again, licorice for my black, 1530 for the white. I am going to use a sheer version of this. I have 1621 here. I have this here with some clear for highlights. And I actually have Tips and Toes gel polish here for shadowing. And I have a little bit of clear for extra in case I need to wash it out even more. I'm going to show you guys the colors in the pots just because they're different than the labels. I have 1624, 1625, 1629. I may not need this, but yeah. I don't know if I wanted like this one or this one for his body color. I have 1543 because he has a dark, like a burgundy colored collar. So that's the color I chose for that. I have 1541. This is going to be for, like the pinky color inside of his ears because he's got enormous ears. And, excuse me, I thought the perfect color for his outfit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm going to give this a little wipe because it's been sitting on the shelf for a little bit. But I am using this JinTing gel polish, and it is J055, and it is a dark forest green. It's coming off a little more like an evergreen on the camera, but this is a very like let's see if I can show maybe the true color will come out if I brush it on the tile here. It's this really just very tracker color. Like it's a very, you know, like I just find it's perfect for his outfit. And then I'm going to like do my highlights with the white. So that'll help that out when I do those. But yes, those are my materials. Again, always using Sheila here. 7mm detail brush. I haven't been using this, but I'm keeping it like near in case I do need it, just a little design needle. But yeah, anywho, so there he is all pre-drawn out. And yeah, we're just going to go from there. So I'm going to speed through the rest and I will see you all in the end. Okay, so there he is all finished. I'm so happy with the way he turned out. He looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and get to the last video for you guys. So I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.